Same concept. It's Unit 5, Notes 2. And basically it's the same thing we learned with the first lesson, Notes 1, because of it's just graphing the lines. Okay, so let's take a look. I want to graph these two lines on here. All right. The first one, the m equals -3, and I'm going to put it over 1. And the b is a +6. So notice I'm doing it in red. So start at 6, +6. Put a dot up at 6. Okay. The slope is -3 over 1. Rise over run. So down 3. 1, 2, 3 over 1. 1, 2, 3 over 1. 1, 2, 3 over 1. Perfect. And we connect them. Okay? First one. Make sure you use a ruler. That's important. Oops. Sorry. Yeeks. Okay, is that all right? That's fine. Okay, next one. The second line I'll do in the green, and I'm going to put it down here. The m for the second one is -1/2, and the b for the second one is +1. So I start at +1, right? Start at +1. Okay, so again, here we go. Start at +1, and my slope is a -1/2. Rise over run. Down 1 over 2. There it is. Down 1 over 2. So we don't need that many points here. And we're going to run it right through here. And so my solution is that dot. The solution is 2, 2, 0. 2, 0. All right, so if I put a 2 in here for x, -3 times 2 is -6, plus 6 makes 0. Put a 2 in here, -1/2 times 2 makes -1. -1 plus 1 makes 0. So yes, that is the answer. Okay? All right, down the bottom here. This bottom one. This one. Okay, let's see if I can fit it. We got it. First one's nice and easy. The m is 2 over 1, and the b is a -3. The second one, not so easy. 2x plus y equals 5. I want y alone, so I have to bring the 2x over. So I go -2x, -2x. So I get y equals -2x plus 5. So the m here is -2 over 1, and the b is +5. Okay, so let's go do the green one, the first one. So I'm going to start at -3, put a dot at -3, and my slope is 2 over 1. Rise over run. So rise 2 over 1. Rise 2 over 1. Rise 2 over 1. All right, so I got enough. And I'm going to do this just like that. Okay, the red one, I'm going to start at +5. And my slope is -2 over 1. -2, so it goes down 2 over 1. Down 2 over 1. Down 2 over 1. Zoop. And my solution here, the solution for this one is over, got to go to the origin, over 2 up 1. So 2 comma 1. And if you just quick do some mental math, put 2 in here. 2 times 2 is 4, and -3 makes 1. True. If I put it in here, 2 times x, 2 times 2 is 4, plus y is 1, 1 makes 5. It works. Magic. Magic. Okay? Y equals negative x. So this is an interesting one. Y equals negative x. So y equals negative x. Let's talk about the m and b here. The m is a negative 1 over 1. And the b is 0. So let's graph this first. It's definitely going through 0, 0. Okay? Goes through 0, 0. And it is going negative over 1, down 1, and so on. Or down 1 over 1, down 1 over 1, down 1 over 1, so on. So again, this is right through the origin. And let's see if I get this right. Sometimes you gotta dot it all out to be neat. Okay, you should always do your lines the full graph, The second one is an interesting one. Got to change things. Y plus 3 equals 2x. 2x is perfect where it is. The 3 has to get over there. So I'm going to go minus 3. Minus 3. Well, 3 doesn't combine with that. So I get y equals 2x minus 3. Now that's a linear function. The m is 2 over 1, and the b is negative 3. So start at negative 3. Rise over run. Rise over run. Up 2 over 1. There it is. Up 2 over 1. Up 2 over 1. So put down my ruler. Okay, solution is where they crisscross, and the solution here is over 1, down 1, so it's 1, negative 1. And that makes true. Like, if you put it up here, y is negative 1, put a 1 in the x, yeah, negative 1 equals negative 1. 3 and a negative 1 makes 2 times 1, makes 2, so it works. Okay? Let's try this one. 2x plus y equals negative 4. So I have to move the 2x. Go minus 2x to this side. So I get y equals, I'm going to write it as negative 2x minus 4. Okay? The m here is a negative 2 over 1. The b is a negative 4. We good? Okay. I'll do the other one in red. The second one's easy. Y equals 2x plus 4. Okay. Very similar, almost. But the m in this guy is 2 over 1. This is a positive slope. And the b equals, positive 4. Okay, so I'll do the red first. So I start at positive 4. My slope is positive 2, up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1. If I go down 2, backwards 1. Here my down 2, backwards 1, same thing. Down 2, backwards 1. That's a double negative move, and negative and negative makes it a positive anyway. So that's why the line is still positive, right? Okay, let's do the other one. Start at negative 4. Its slope is down 2 over 1. Down 2 over 1. So if I go back, up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1, there it is. So the solution is negative 2, 0. And again, if you were to put this into the equation, 2 times negative 2, right, makes 4. No, excuse me, makes negative 4. Negative 4 and positive 4 makes 0. Y 0. Put it in on this one. If x is negative 2, we can go to the original equation. 2 times negative 2 makes negative 4. plus 0 makes negative 4. So it works. It works, it works, it works. Try it. Try it. Okay, so first one you got to rearrange again. So let's do it this way. Negative 4x plus y equals 1. I just copied the first. I'm going to move the 4x over, so you have to go plus 4x. Plus 4x, right? So I get y equals 4x plus 1, right? The m is 4 over 1, and the b is positive 1. Okay, the second one's easy. Y equals negative 1/2 x plus 1. It's already done. Your m is negative 1/2, and your b is 1. I'll start with this guy. Start at 1. Do your slope. Top number is your rise, remember? Rise over run, so I go down 1 over 2. Down 1 over 2. Down 1 over 2. Okay. There we go. That's my red. I'll take the next one is did in black. I have to start at positive 1. Ah, there it is. Positive 1. And my rise over run, rise 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 over 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 will be up here. So I'm pretty sure this is how this one's running. But the solution we got right away is right here. And the solution is, name that dot, is 0, 1. 0, 1. Okay? Let's put it in here. Put 0 in this equation. If x is 0, this goes away, and y is 1. 1 equals 1. That's true. If x is 0, put a 0 here. 0 times a half is gone. And y is 1. Y equals 1. Perfect. Okay? Find the solution to each. So we're basically reading the point. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. So this solution is 4, 3. Name the dot of intersection. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Done. Name this one. So I have to go, it's over 1, 1, 2, 3. So it's positive 1, negative 3. Oops, can you see? Sorry. Oh, where is this dot? Over 1, down 3. Remember, the x is first, the y. We good? All right. Okay, so this one's a bit of a challenge. First equation, 3x plus 4y equals 12. Solve for y. Remember, y equals mx plus b. That is the linear form of a perfect, equation, line. So you always want to get y alone. It's called the slope-intercept form. So to solve for y, I have to move things here. And I'm going to move the 3x. How do I move? Doing the opposite. What you do to one side must do to the other. So that's gone. My next line is 4y equals negative 3x, and I go plus 12. I just slide the 12 over. It didn't get moving to the other side of the equal sign, so signs do not change. Okay? Next line. I want y alone, so I must, to get y alone, I have to divide everything by 4. Divide by 4, divide by 4. Do your math. That gets your y alone. Y equals negative 3/4 x. There's your slope. And 12 divided by 4 is positive 3. Okay? Your m here is negative 3/4, and your b equals positive 3. All right, so now let's try graphing that. I'm going to go start at positive 3 on the graph. Zoom out a little bit here. Whoops. Oops. There we go. I have to start at positive 3 on the graph. 1, 2, 3. Put my dot at the b. And I'm going to use the slope, negative 3/4. So rise over run. The rise is down 3, run 4. 1, 2, 3, run 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. It happens to be right there. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Take 4. That. I like to do enough dots to get a clean, crisp line. Might shift it a little bit. All right, that's the first equation. The second one is already done for us. Y equals negative 3/4 x plus 3. The second equation. All right, so the m here is negative 3/4. Oh, and the b is positive 3. What do you notice? It is the exact same. So the solution is, since they're one on top of the other, it's called infinity. And infinite solutions, meaning they're the same lines, they're on top of each other. If I was to graph this, it's going to be the exact same way. Are we good? I hope so. Fun with lines, right? Okay. Homework 2. Homework. All you do is graph all these. All right, I want you to try this by yourself, and then I will put the answers up again. And you will be able to check your answers. Okay? So to be continued.